Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn off or disable mention notifications on YouTube. So if you do not want to receive notifications when your mentions or your handle is mentions in comments or in video descriptions, then I'll show you on how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up your YouTube channel. And then once you open up, and on top right corner, then you can see this YouTube profile. And then you need to tap. And then next step, you need to scroll down and you need to select this settings. And then once you open up this YouTube settings, at left side menu, and then you need to select this notifications. And then on right side, and then we need to scroll down again and under at your preferences, and then you need now to select this mentions. So notify me when others mentions my channel. So if you want to turn that off, just toggle to the off positions by clicking inside the oval one time. So we need to toggle off positions, and you can see this, it's already grayed out. So that means it's already disabled or turned off. And then we need to confirm also that changes. So we need to save this settings. And that's it, all you have to do. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on YouTube app settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.